Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Making sure everyone can hear me. Right, hello again. Once again, I'm Red Mechanic. This is part 5 of my T08A2 Mk build stream. We're going to continue doing some of the stuff that we were doing yesterday. For frame of reference, this is what I've been building and some of the images I've been working from. There's still lots more things to do with this build. Still got lots of AI to set up. Pardon me. Lots of greebling. Some more weapons. And potentially some other additions. And to begin with some of the greebling, there's a few details down here that I want to add. We'll see what they look like when I attempt to add them, whether or not they look crap. Right, I can't really build out much further than that, because otherwise it can get in the way of the rockets. That would have to be that. That would have to be the limit of it. Right, but a little closer to that, I would like. What if we do it like entirely. Or if we did it like that, we'd still end up being it. Unless we did that differently. Or yes, maybe. I like that little angle. That's quite nice. Come on. Put them in there. We also need to take out that. Place them. that. Yeah, that's a little bit close to the original. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Any extra little detail I can sneak in there. Now, there's also two little details down here. On the base. We do that. Because they are about there and there, aren't they? Wait, they are right there. We would do that. We could do that. What other blocks have we got? It's a half block of that like. Meh, that's not so great. When is this new signal update going to come out? So we've got some new blocks to play with. I thought it was supposed to be today, but no, that's just the release stream or something. The wording has been a little bit murky and confusing. I want new blocks, please. Like that. Meh, that doesn't look great. Like that. Looks slightly better, but not especially. Yeah. What about... Well, that side of it then. Which is lame because it's a quarter of a block. Do that, but I can't do much else. I could try that in there. Then we could grab that collar there. We can grab the little teeny weeny block and squeeze in here. course it doesn't have enough of a connection point. Why would it? Really trying to upset me, okay. Obviously I can't put it there. What about... Oh, yeah. Ah. I don't want that like that. Don't want that stupid guy. Look at that. It's about as good as it's going to get. Yeah, I'll have to be like that for now. Bear with me. I just need to attend to an annoying cat. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Right, annoying cat has stopped being annoying. Back to what we were doing. Which was that? That'll have to do for now. Too bad. The alternative would be taking that lockout entirely and doing Buford. Crap, which doesn't look like it worked anyway, so that'll do. Yeah, so. Oh yes, we've still got all these screens that we need to sort out. Now we've got all the mode functions that we need to figure out. We can copy and paste them. HAW. Now, what will those lights look like if I stick one of them across there? Ew, I like that better. Yeah, that's pretty good. A little angle, another little hint of detail. Now, I would like to paint some of these bits a little bit. Because I want there to be a bit more colour variation on the top. A little more detail. I don't want that, do want that. Not sure about that, to be honest. If anyone's got any suggestions, be my guest. Definitely gonna feed them that though. Oh, I've just painted something through that door, haven't I? Yeah, I managed to paint those blocks there. That was a pretty good shot, wasn't it? Go straight through the door and hit those blocks back there underneath. I don't know how I managed to do that. Or did I? Oh no, that's that block, I think. Anyway, it doesn't particularly matter. Light on. Yeah, it looks like I did manage to hit that with the wrong colour. What it was. Oh, that's a point. We need to work out the air types in there, and this is a big problem right here. Box. That's a gap. Some other things. So let's copy the control hotkeys that I've worked out for this one. Size 0.475. That was 160, and that was 0. That was 0.475. That was going to be like that, and then that was going to be... Where's the tapped setting? So I've got loads of these things set up. can turn off now. Been there forever, recharging. I need to make a group for the reactors. Right, okay. Reactors. Take one of them, take that. Create a group called reactors. Do that. That's to the hot bar. Reactors on and off. Reserve reactor on and off. For the spotlight yet. Oh, I should be messing with that. Oh, we've not even named the spotlights yet. Spotlight L01. Spotlight R01. And this will also help us get all of our groups set up, or a lot of our groups set up for the screens, the display screens, because most of them rely on groups in order to work. Absolutely copy okay. What was next? Parachutes. We haven't put any in there. I suppose you could power drop this if you wanted to. And have we made a parking switch yet? We did make a parking switch, didn't we? But we haven't made a parking timer. Right. Bear with me again 1 second. I've just got to go and check on something. And we're back once again, and that should be the last of the stupid little interruptions. Hopefully. Right. What do we want to do next? We do still need to figure out how to get those arms up and running. We need to make a parking brake. Go off knocking around. Now we'll put another bunch of vent blocks to there. And then we're going to need more timers. Leg guns. Rocket pod off. Spec. Why is rocket pod off there? Did we even set up the rocket pod? I think we did, didn't we? Alright, that's that one there. Okay. Okay. Then, in that case, we need to turn the lights on. In that case, we'll just put them here. And this one can just be parking brake on. Parking brake on off. There, stop that there, close that, and then this is literally just that light turning on off. Turn that on. Parking brake turns on. Add parking brake to there. Turn it off again. Turn it on. Turns off as we walk. Turns off again. Cool. Right. That works. These controls are going to get a lot more complicated in a minute, but it'll be alright for now. Docking lock. Docking port. Docking port. Ah, it's a leftover. Page 2, we need a drive mode we do not have. Yeah. This is why I wanted to build hollow displays. Because I want to put another down here. What angle do we want on? Because we could have directly underneath. Or we'll have them on the floor next to that one, so it makes a nice little line. Oh, for God's sake, of course I can't. Of course there's no connection point at the bottom of those event blocks at the top. Okay, I'm going to stick them at the side instead. And that achieves exactly the same result, just upon an angle, which is fine. That can be fine. Drive mode active. Rotate that a bit. Text and images, and we need to make it size 3 text. We're going to make it cyan because it is different. The weapon modes, and I usually end up using that, the drive and warp it, because I don't know what else to use. Danger's a good one for the weapons. rest of them are all just like posters and stuff. No. Right. Not wild. Oh, actually, we could use that. That looks pretty cool. I forgot about that one. That's quite a cool overlay. So we have that. What could write? Just go orange, like the rest of the thing. I really want to put blue on it because that's not going to stand out enough against the blue background here. As soon as we type in drive mode active like that, it's going to look, yeah, it's the same colour. But it's not going to look great. So we instead make it, yeah, that'll do. It fits with the colour scheme. Yeah, that'll do, I reckon. That's our drive mode sign. And obviously we haven't set up anything else to go with it. So we need some event controllers. We'll pick that one. Oh wait, hang on. Rocket pod. Guard mode. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's good. Yeah. No, that's fine. Controller. Drive. Mode. On. Off. Wrong one. And then we need a pair of timers to be drive mode. There's that one. And that one. Let's just have a look what's in there. Right, so we've got that one, and we've got that timer block and those two timer blocks. That and those two. Right, in that case, that gets to be drive mode on, off. It's bar. That gets to be drive mode on, and that mode off. I think that all makes sense now. Right, and that should be all the bits I need for the drive mode. Now what did we do with the drive mode on this one? It was wheel control and mech control on. Alright, for starters, wheel control and mech control on. That's what we need. And mech control. Drive mode on off controller is going to be controlled by the drive mode sign. When that sign is turned on and off, the drive mode functions are going to turn on and off. Trigger the other way around. So that now, when we stick that on there, we've got the basis of our drive mode, which will turn that on and off. No? Did I forget to do... let's do that. There we go, so that now turns that on and off. Set up some of the drive mode settings. Drive mode on is also going to include the exterior light that we need to set up. Oh, and we need to set up a walk mode to turn it all off as well. Walk brake off, walk parking light off, park brake control on. Wrong snagging button. Man, what was it? Walk brake off. Parking light off. I can't remember what the rest of it was. It's all confusing. Walk brake off, parking light off, parking brake control on. Walk brake off, parking light off. And control go on. Right. After that, we need to turn all the wheels on. And so turn all the modes off. Fuck it. So, drive mode needs to. After that, turn on all those millions of wheels. Nine. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we will leave drive mode there for now because we need to set up walk mode. On and off switches first. That is way more complicated. Oh, is this still not airtight? Hollow sign. That one. On the sign. Walk mode. Walk mode active, isn't it? And we need to do the same thing now because we don't actually have any walk mode things. So once again we hop out there. And then spectator mode, so this side we did drive mode, that side can be walk mode on, off. And then it was walk mode on. Walk mode on. Walk mode off. That's the right mode. One. It can be controller. Walk mode on, off. So that should be all of those things. No. Sign. Walk mode on, off. The same, more or less, as the new one. Make the text match everything else. And we are going to type in walk mode active. that go. Nice. Drive mode off. I'll take it off. I can do most of that without issue. So, we could actually refine that a bit from the older design. First thing we want to do when we turn drive mode off is turn off that parking brake light. Drive mode off. Parking brake light off. Then we've got two things. Let's turn all the brake stuff off. Just loading unknown signal, I'm guessing. Port brake and parking brake. Turn them off. Brake. Port brake. Parking. And after that, we can probably turn off the wheel control. And then all the other stuff was stuff I haven't built yet. But one thing drive mode off. Do all those wheels. So we turn all the wheels off and drive mode is off. Oh. Yeah, so suspension off. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because we've got 3 sets of legs with 3 feet on each, so we've got 18 separate suspensions. Just a pain in the ass. Right, this is the trickier bit. Walk mode on. Right, first thing we do is the manual control system. Turn on. That turns on, that turns on, that turns on, and on, and I do need to write all this down again at some point, so I don't have to keep doing this. We've got a great big text document of how I used to do my old thing, all written in shorthand, but that's for my outdated timer system, which is a bit janky compared to all this, and I haven't written out this system yet. It's still a work in progress, so what the hell are we doing? Walk mode on. Wheel control on, mech control on. Right. Wheel control on, mech control on. Wheel control on, mech control on. I need to let that wheel control reset at some point. I'll do that in a bit. And then it's all the mode switches off. Okay, that's the basic bit of walk mode. On, anyway. Walk mode off. Very complicated. Right. Manual control system off. Walk mode off. Manual control system off and off and off and off. Turn that off. Walk mode off. Next is walk mode off trigger. Yeah, walk mode off. off. On, walk off, trigger. That will make sure that the walk cycle stops. If we decide to turn walk mode off in the middle of walking. Walk mode off. Next bit is two things I haven't set up yet. And then we'll turn off all the wheels, and then we'll turn off manual mech control. And into them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And finally, mech control manual can be switched off. And now the wheel reset controller. That was something I needed to override, a little bug that I had in my settings on this one, so I need to recreate that. In that case. Oh, actually, in that case, have we got any timers left? There's that. Behind me. It's the one next to me. Parking brake on off. Right, we'll make that one the wheel reset. Cool. That'll do. And wheel reset consisted of turning off the wheel control timer and turning off all the lights. Light suspension as a fail safe. For when I turn all the various modes on and off that require mode function, because it's complicated now. Right. So, walk mode on, have the wheel reset, turn off at the end. First page. Wheel reset. Off? Was turn off, wasn't it? So forgetful. Lock on. Lock mode on. Yeah, locked off. So lock mode off. Wheel reset can turn back on. Lock off. Wheel reset can turn back on. And the reason nothing is triggering that is because there is going to be a separate timer in there, in all that system that triggers that event. Got everything I needed for walk mode. Wheels off. Mech control off. Haven't done either of those yet. That's some stuff later. Oh yeah, at what point does walk off? Is it you that triggers that thing? Oh no, it was the walk brake, wasn't it? Walk brake turns off that light and then triggers suspension reset and then triggers wheel control reset. I also had a suspension reset. Did a separate thing. Why did I have a separate one of them for each? I can't remember. It's because... Oh yeah, because the wheel on and off thing. Yeah, I know why. So I need to make a suspension reset timer as well. Damn. So in that case, we'll stick some more timer blocks. Right then, so that's wheel reset. That can be suspension reset. That is the wrong button. That is all the wrong buttons. And suspension reset. Literally resets the suspension, doesn't it? doesn't do any other daft things. No, just does that. That resets. Where is it? Propulsion. That's all. Then 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Warp brake. Turns that off, and now suspension. So it triggers that, and wheel reset triggers that. So right. Okay. I think that's everything I need for the walk mode on and off control for now. Double check as well, I've forgotten. Not things I haven't built yet anyway. I think that should work. I believe. Now, if we stick that walk mode button on there, and then go to walk mode, let's sort all these out while we're here. Walk mode on and off timer will be controlled, well, we'll be triggering that light turning on and off. That light turning on and off will trigger this event. This event controller. And when that event controller is activated, it will turn on walk mode. When it's deactivated, it will turn off walk mode. When it's activated, it will also trigger walk mode. And likewise in the reverse, when it is activated, walk mode will turn off. Or walk mode off will turn off. Walk mode off will turn back on, and then walk mode off will trigger when the sign turns off. So now we can select that timer, click that button, that turns off. You can hear the engines have turned off. Everything but the mech gyros should be off. We can't move forward, we can't turn. And now if we turn it back on, why was that flinching? Why is that other timer flinching? You, why are you flinching? Oh, no, no, no. Hmm. Hang on. Okay. Well, that's curious. What road sign? What road on off? What have I done that is making that react like that? Hmm. What road on? They should all be turned on. Why are they not turning on? Turn it off. What is stopping that from turning off? What have I done? Click on briefly. What is turning the what road turns all of that on? It absolutely should do. Then something is making them turn off. What the heck is doing that? Nothing's triggering a loop. Why can't I turn any of those thrusters on? I have no idea what I've managed to do. Oh, hello, Space Guy Falcon. Has the update finally dropped? Is it actually available to download now, is it? Oh, they would do that when I'm in the middle of doing a stream. Just get to... Ugh. Thank you for telling me that. Yeah. Oh, why would I drop it? 6 o'clock in the evening. I'll figure that out in a minute. I want to know why I can't turn this thruster on and off. Are you being moody because of your space engineers? Turn it off. Turn it on. No, something is still preventing them from coming on. Cheers, Space Falcon. It'll be sweeter when I get this walk mode switch working properly, because currently it's not letting me turn on any of my manual thruster controls. What is stopping that from turning on at all? Walk mode is now off. Why can't I turn any of you back on? Who's that? Nope. What is stopping that from turning on though? Turning that off altogether. Why won't you let me turn these back on? All that back on. All that back on. All that. I'm using a couple of scripts. There's the precise timers script to make the hinges, make timers move faster to make the walk cycle a bit quicker. There's a bunch of scripts in the cockpit to display the radar, the HUD. All of these displays, those graphs. There is a script to control the walking system, which is having a hissy fit at the moment with that mech, and I'm not sure why. I don't think it's the script, I think it's some of my timer programming. It works fine in this one. Yeah, walk mode is active. Yeah, that walking and turning is entirely WASD controls. There's a script that controls a big old gyroscope setup in the middle of the mech to make it turn left and right, and there's a bunch of thrusters inside it to make it walk forwards and backwards. Yes, timers being a minimum of 1 second is incredibly annoying. It's why I use the precise timer script on a lot of stuff. The only issue I've had with the precise timer script is it doesn't seem to work properly on like enemy grids. Like, this thing is set up now to I need to turn off walk mode. This thing is set up to have like full AI control using it's turned off now. It's set up to have full AI control using the AI blocks and a bunch of sensors and a bunch of stuff, so that it can walk around and do its own thing and do whatever it likes. But hang on, let me land on it. The second that I make all of this hostile, the precise timer script that is speeding up the legs stops working and doesn't do anything, and it now operates at the speed that I set the timers in accordance with the precise timer script. So now, instead of trying to take a step once every 45 ticks, it's trying to take a step once every 45 seconds. And I don't seem to be able to get the precise timer script to work on a hostile grid. I don't know if there's a way around it, but second I cut and paste that and put it back to the real world, the precise timer script kicks in. It's friendly grid again, and it does its own thing. It's cool, it works. Resets. But for the absolute life of me, I can't work out why these event timers are suddenly not letting me turn on again. Why is the background that green? Display, targeting. Why is your background slightly green? Right, why can't I turn any of this on? What have I done? It suddenly means none of that will turn on anymore. This thing was working perfectly up until like 10 minutes ago. Got an order blueprint of it. Where is that? 208. 208 Mark 3. There you are. That's the one. That's the blueprint I took yesterday. Because I hadn't built things inside of it yet. I haven't done any of the controls. Everything is fine, and it walks, and it works. And it walks forward. And it walks backward. And it brakes on its own, and it's fine. And I can turn that stuff off as much as I like. Oh my god, what have I done that's different? I really don't know what I've done on this other one that's different. Other than select some of the controls off. What is going on there? What the hell have I done to this thing? That just turns that off. Upload on, turns that off. Wheel control. Wheel reset. Wheel reset on. Wheel reset shouldn't be on. What's wheel reset doing? That's the most recent thing. That can't turn off. Or brake. What are you doing? You're not turned on, so you can't be doing anything. Walk on. Walk off. Let's turn them on, let's turn them on. Take that out of there. Is there some stupid feedback loop being caused by something? Right, taking that out. That turns on. That turns off. Still working. That turns on. That turns on. Walk mode. Walk mode on. Trigger. Mode off. Trigger. Walk mode active. Slide walk active. Trigger. Why is that not triggering that? Turn on. Trigger now. Walk mode on. Is that smegging block? I have it set up wrong. Walk mode on, off. Trigger. Off, on. Trigger. You turn off. Why are you not working? Mode active. Select actions. Why aren't you doing anything? This is getting very irritating. Oh, switched off. Tit. Right. Now, are you going to work? Trigger. Off. Trigger. On. Stuck. Why? Why does it flash on, then flash off? That's supposed to be off. I don't know what is going on with this. It is driving me mad. Oh, for God's sake, I know why. Because I was triggering the wrong thing. Because I'm an idiot. There we go, dumbass. Nope, it worked for a second and now it's triggering off. Oh, why? I just fixed you, I thought. I've just done the exact same thing again. There we go. Bring it on, bring it off. Turn on, turn off. Ah, right. Thank you. That now works properly again. Walk on. Right, you can get deleted. Right, everything's cool now. It all works properly again. Okay. Sorry, being a tit. Triggering the wrong thing and getting wound up for no reason. Walk mode on once wheel control reset turned off. Off. Wheel reset control turned off. Right, cool. Yeah. Walk mode off. Wheel control reset turned on. What are you thinking about now? Walk break. Oh, did I turn that off at some point? Well, turn it off. Turn that on. Turn it off, and it turns the parking brake light on. Why is it doing that? How did we mitigate it on that one? Oh. Brake light comes on there. It wouldn't be that one, it would be the walk mode off. Wouldn't it? Wheel control reset turns on. Turn that off. Oh yeah. Walk brake. That turns off. That turns off. Reset triggers. Wheel control reset. Turns off the wheels. Walk brake. Engine reset. Wheel reset. Set up identically. Let's just turn the lights on so it's easier to see. So when walk mode is turned on, it's turned on. Then we can walk around. then we can stop walking. Those brakes turn off, and we turn off walk mode. They briefly flick on and turn back off. Yeah. Oh, how did we do that? I'll set that up. That doesn't need to be there anymore. What mode on? Mode off. I can't remember what the hell I did to make that work properly. No. That's just the walk brake. Oh yeah. Let me cut it. .08. Click it on. Click it off. Yeah. That's what it was. Okay. So we've effectively got a sign, walk mode, sign, drive mode. Drive mode we turn on, we can drive around. Turn it off. Turn on walk mode. We can walk. And we're not creating stupid feedback loops with some of the controls that keep everything switched off. because we need to come up with a more precise naming convention. Because I'm an idiot. There we go. Right, walk mode works properly. If I don't set that high, it does struggle. What happens if I change the suspension strength? Wait a second, put that. If I increase that so it bounces less, increase it load so it bounces less. Maybe not. It's 60. Stop jerking around. Walk, brake. Oh, it's not. Oh. That's why. Walk off. I've messed that up with the walk cycle there. Walk off. Yeah, walk brake, dumbass. I agree, certainly to put that something. Wheel control, parking light, walk brake. So on wheel control on on. Walk on forward. Walk on. Walk road. Off. Off. I control this. And that's all I thought I want to do. Yeah. Sound. Okay. Walk brakes now on. Walk. Stop. Break. 0.5. Doing it. Whatever. It's in the right place. Okay, turn on properly then. Right, well it turns on properly in reverse, but not on properly in forward. Something stupid is going on here. Why is it working properly in forward but not in reverse? Walk on reverse. Wheel control. Parking light off. Wheel control off. Lifetime. Walk brake. Wheel. Walk brake. That is all the same. Walk start. On. Walk start. All the wheels off. Lights on and off. All the wheels off, all the lights on and off. Equal to or greater than dumbass. Again, being a dumbass. Oh look, now it works. Because I wasn't paying attention. There you go, that'll do for now. Right. Walk. Brake. Now I'll set that down to 0.8. No, 0.08. Does it still work as well, like it did before? But it doesn't. But turn it off. Yeah. Okay. So we have a drive mode, and we have a walk mode, and we have buttons to turn them on and off. Next thing to do would be to set up some fail-safes. So that we can't activate the two at the same time. Drive mode on and drive mode off. Under all that, we have drive mode. Cool. Drive mode is on. Walk mode is off. When drive mode turns off, you can turn back on, and vice versa. When walk mode is on, do any more about walk mode on. Just want to check walk mode on. Yeah. Walk mode on. Oh, that's it. Cool. Walk mode on. Dun, dun. Drive mode on, off, turn off, and walk mode. That's different now. Walk mode off. After the wheels, we do drive mode. Cool. Walk mode off. Wrong one. Drive mode on, off, what, on. So, in theory, we turn walk mode off, we can turn drive mode on, we can drive, we can turn. All that kind of thing. Can't turn walk mode on. Turn drive mode off. Turn walk mode on. We can walk around and do some things. Hello, Tagamon Games. Thank you. I am building that. The T08A2 from Ghost in the Shell. I'm a big classic 90s anime dork, and I like anything with multi-pad mechs. That one over there, the slightly smaller one, is the older design that I had. It's a bit junkier. It's not as refined as this one. This one has all kinds of manual controls, so I can walk using WASD controls. For example, inside it, we go into spectator mode. It has got this gyro system that it uses for turning. Oop. And somewhere down here, oh no, rather, and up here we have 3 thrusters that control the forward and reverse those thrusters are tied into a whole bunch of event blocks and lights and timers and things that make all the legs move and walk. The thrusters don't actually generate any thrust. They are purely there because they are a block that is triggered by keyboard inputs. If there was a different button that if there was a different block I could use that was activated by pressing W, S, A or D, I'd use that instead. But thrusters is what we've got for now to do a vanilla-ish control system. May as well get some interaction up on the live chat. Is you even still there? Oh no, I don't think you're there anymore. Oh well. It's 7:30. I've done about, I'll do another bit longer, and about 8 o'clock I will log off, and then I'm gonna go and have a look and see what this signal stuff is about, because if I download it now it's gonna take me like half an hour, or whatever to download it. Then again, probably won't be that long. Have a quick nosy. Base engineer store page. Is it out yet? Can I download the new DLC yet? Is there a button to tell me where the new DLC is? Signal pack, £4. New decorative console blocks, bay windows, set wall blocks, corridor blocks, truss blocks, signal pack, blocks. Yeah, but how big is it? Is it going to take me forever to download, or is it? Storage, 25 megabytes. That's not very long at all. Or very different. I am going to quickly save this game. Exit to main menu. And see how long it takes me to download this new update. My old deluxe edition not count for it. Whatever, I don't care. I will happily pay £4 for more content for a game that I really like. Let's just hope it goes quickly. I'm glad I set this up so that nobody can see my card details while I buy things. Doobie doobie doo. We are processing your payment. And if this takes forever, I might end the stream here. Yeah, it's updating pretty damn fast. It will be done in 1 minute, apparently. And then we'll see if this update breaks my game or my mech. Oh, don't suddenly start saying 2 minutes. Don't mess me around like that. Oh, you said it was... You didn't say it was going to be 100 megabytes. But then again, that does seem more reasonable. Okay, this is going to take a little bit longer than I expected. Oh, no, it's saying 17 seconds. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Installing. Done. Apparently. Oh. No, that was an update for the update. Now downloading more stuff. And it says it's going to take 5 minutes. Damn you. Right, well, in that case, I'm going to end this stream here. And then I'll be back